Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 16th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpcollector.com. So the US dollar CAD was able to break above structure with momentum yesterday. So I think that proves that this whole 5 waves down is very likely complete. Now we only have two options in my eyes, which I think option number one is the more likely scenario, which is this is now going to probably make some sort of an Elliott wave corrective pattern up to a fib level and then continue the downtrend. Option number two is maybe this really is some sort of a bottom on the higher time phase and it's just going to make a trend reversal going up and taking out this high, which would prove a trend reversal on the higher time frames. I definitely think it's more likely that option number one is going to happen. It's going to likely go up to one of these 3 or 4 Fibonacci levels and then turn down. I don't know what Fibonacci level it will go to, but I know that I will be able to recognize a LE wave corrective pattern, especially if it goes to a Fibonacci level, makes a nice break to the downside and continues the downtrend. So depending on what time frame you're trading, if you are trading the very short time frames, you could be looking for longs now that we have a break of structure. If you're more of a swing trader, you're probably actually still waiting for shorts at the end of Elliott wave corrective patterns and Fibonacci bounces. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.